creative people, welcome back to another episode of Busy Beader. If you don't know me already, or if you forgot my name, I'm Caitlin, and I am here to teach you fun, simple, easy crafts that can unlock your creativity in just a short amount of time. And today we are going to be adding to a set that 2 times now I have called complete, and then I decided to add more to it. So we are actually, for real this time, finishing out a set that I have been calling the Pearl and Rainbow Seed Bead set. Last year we made a ring and a necklace with these pearls and these rainbow seed beads, and they are so beautiful. And then we made a bracelet to go with it. And now we are going to be making the earrings that match the set and really round it out. There's not much else that we could actually make. That's why I'm saying it is actually for sure complete this time, because with the addition of these earrings, we will have earrings, a necklace, a bracelet, and a ring. And so, I mean, I suppose we could make something like an anklet or a headpiece, but as basic jewelry sets go, this is definitely complete and I'm very happy with it. So I am pretty sure that we're done with this set after today. But regardless, if you haven't watched those other videos and made the other pieces of our jewelry set, be sure to go do that. But before we get started today on these earrings, a couple of things first. The first being, please be sure to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads. They are the suppliers for everything that you see in my videos, and they sponsor me, of course. And if you check out the link that is in the description box below, they can be your supplier too, and you can gather all the things that you need to make these wonderful crafts with me. And if you are a first-time buyer with Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, they are offering a special discount code for my viewers only, and that code's going to be right here for you to take a look at, and that will get you $5 off your purchase. You apply that code at checkout, and once again, that code is for new customers, and that is a thank you for being a member of the Busy Beader community and for checking out my sponsor. And finally, before we get started, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. When you do, it shows me that you love my content, that you want more of it, and it means that we get to grow our crafting community together. All right, let's jump into this project today. Step 1. All right, as you can see, we have very little supplies that we need today, but these are some very beautiful earrings that match our set perfectly. So today you are going to need an earring back. I chose this little teardrop shaped one because I thought that it was really pretty and complemented the set, but you could use a traditional earring loop. You could use an earring back that is a different shape, really whatever suits your fancy, but this is the one that I chose today. Then you're going to need a head pin. And we're going to need one of each color in our rainbow seed beads. And these are all Delicas, size 8 on these seed beads here. And then we need our pearls. And remember, these are our Crystal Passions pearls in this stark white color. And the only tool that you need today are some round nose pliers. So once you've gathered your supplies and materials, meet me back here and we'll get started. Step 2. All right, so what you're going to do is you're going to take your head pin and we are going to start with a pearl. And we're going to slide our pearl onto our head pin. And then I chose to go red on the bottom all the way up to purple on the top, but you could do it opposite. You could start with purple on the bottom and go all the way up to the top. I actually think that these earrings, I want them to have one of each, so that they have a little bit of variety to them. So this time around, I am going to start with purple on the bottom, but you can make yours match, you can make yours mismatch, you can do whatever you please with it. But I'm going to start with a purple seed bead here. And then we need another pearl. And then we're gonna go blue. And then a pearl. And green. And another pearl, and then yellow, and a pearl. Only 2 more to go, 3 more technically. We're gonna grab our orange seed bead, slide that on, and then our last pearl, and our last seed bead, this red one. Perfect. Now what we're gonna do is
hold this very delicately so all the beads don't go flying off. You can also use your mat, push it up against your mat. And my wire went a little wonky as I was working with it, so I'm just gonna straighten that out just a little bit. That can be done at the end as well. But you're gonna take your round nose pliers and we're gonna finish this like we finish all of our drops. So we're gonna take our wire, move it to a 90-degree angle. And this time, because of the length of our eye pin, we don't have to clip any off the edge. But if for some reason you had a longer eye pin and you do need to clip, go ahead and clip. But with the length of this one here, we don't need to. So I am going to go to the end here and I'm gonna spin our pliers back around. And then we are going to go ahead and open up that loop that we just made. And we are going to slide it loop on our earring back. And then we are going to come up here and we are going to close. And I think that that kind of covered, but very basic maneuver. You're just gonna twist the wire back down until it's closed. And there we have it. You're gonna repeat that entire process one more time for your second earring. I had just made us an example earring, but once you've done that, you will have a beautiful set of pearl and rainbow seed bead earrings to wear with our bracelet, our ring, and our necklace. And just like that, you have a beautiful pair of a rainbow and pearl seed beads. I think that these are so gorgeous and that they match our set really well. I've had so much fun getting to work with all of these seed beads and these pearls, as you can tell from the fact that I was only going to be a 2-part series and it's now a 4-part series. So I hope that you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you did, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. That way you can join our growing crafting community and you get to hang out with me all the time. And don't forget to check out my sponsor, Fire Mountain Gems and Beads, and take a look at that discount code and maybe get $5 off if you're a new customer. I hope that you have a rainbow-filled, lovely week, and I will see you in the next one.